Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata nang hindi mapaglaruan.
Piracy is stealing. Stealing is against the law. Piracy is a crime.
I woke up this morning, what's this feeling? Something is going on. My whole face is changing, what's happening? There's gotta be something. Doc, is this normal that happened to you? Please answer my question, 'cause I know you know that you know what to do. So I'm gonna teach you a lesson for you to know what's going on. Don't you worry, my friend, 'cause it's part of our lives. Take a look at my face, it's changing too. You gotta know what's in those feet. The growth center is on its feet. The social positioning. So this is what's happening. We're growing up, girls. Growth and development. You should have known that. It's growth and development. We're growing up, girls. Growth and development. Now you know what to do. I think my wisdom teeth are erupting. I don't like this feeling. Pain and discomfort now in my head. Eruption is starting. As it goes on its way, it causes expansion on my face. Now I can feel the change. The space with this in the game. Just feel the outer surface of my money ball. Say yes, and it hurts, you know. You see, I never get a best until the day it starts. Of love, my friend, discomfort, get lost. You gotta know what's in those feet. That grows and it's on its teeth. Disruption, depositioning. So this is what's happening. You're growing up, girl. It's growth and development. You should have known that. It's growth and development. You're growing up, girl. It's growth and development. Now you know what to do.
Get the lesson what growth is about. Say yes, 'cause you need to know. Don't you worry, my friend, that's a process in a life, so just enjoy. Share this lesson too.
You gotta know what's in those feet. The growth center is on its teeth. Resorption, depositioning. So this is what's happening. Growing up, girl.
It's growth and development.
You should have known that.
It's growth and development.
Growing up, girl.
It's growth and development.
Now you know what to do.
Yeah. Oh, now you know what to